Before you buy ProfitBrand AI, you need to see this. So I came across ProfitBrand AI. Unlike most AI tools, the sales page makes some big claims. Build a brand instantly, create content in seconds, launch without skills, and honestly, that's exactly where most tools disappoint. So instead of guessing, I tested it myself. If you're watching this, you probably want a faster way to build your online business, less time wasted on branding and content, and something that actually works, not just another tool that looks good, but does nothing. So what exactly is ProfitBrand AI? It's basically an AI-powered platform that helps you create your brand identity, generate marketing content, and speed up your launch process. Sounds good, but let's break it down properly. Inside the tool, you'll find AI brand generator, content creation tools, marketing suggestions, business idea support. It's positioned as an all-in-one branding system. Here's what I did. Step 1. Entered a business idea. Step 2. Let the AI generate branding. Step 3. Reviewed the output. Step 4. Tested the content it created, and everything happens pretty quickly. Now here's the truth most reviews won't tell you. The tool does work, but not magically. What I noticed, it gives you a strong starting point. The branding ideas are decent, content is usable, but needs tweaking. This is not done for you perfection. It's more like done for you draft that you improve. This product comes from experienced digital marketers who launch tools in the AI space. So they understand what beginners need, what sells, but also, these tools are usually built for mass users, not customization. From what I found, most positive feedback comes from beginners. People like the simplicity. Some complaints about uniqueness or expectations matter here. Here's what it actually does well. Saves hours of brainstorming, helps beginners get started fast, reduces overwhelm, gives structure to your ideas. Let's keep it real. Outputs can feel generic. You still need to edit, not a replacement for real strategy. Not ideal for scaling big brands. The pricing is beginner friendly. Low entry cost, upsells available. Optional. My advice, don't rush into upgrades. If you compare this with manual method, slower, more control, AI tools combo, more flexible but more complex, ProfitBrand AI sits in the middle, simple, fast, but limited. This is good for you if you're just starting online, you feel stuck with branding, you want quick direction, you don't want to hire freelancers. Skip this. If you want fully unique branding, you're already experienced, you expect automated profits. So, scam or legit? It's not a scam, but it's also not magic. It's a starter tool. If you use it properly, it can help. If you expect miracles, you'll be disappointed. If you want to check it out for yourself, link is in the description. Go through the details, see what it offers, and decide based on your needs.